two components, the course editor and the course list, and we want to navigate between the two. And what we're going to do is that we're going to use the router mechanism. So we're going to say router, right? And because we want to navigate between the two, there they are, right? And what we're going to do is that we're going to just declare a couple of routes, right? We're going to say route, right? And route is going to have a path, and we're going to say that if you see /course list, we would like to display the component course list component. Or if you see course editor, we want to display the course editor component instead of all this below, right? Now, if we render that, this is not quite. Let's refresh. Notice it's page 2, right? Page 2. So if you go to course list, I'm sorry, yeah, course list. Notice what's going on. You know, it rendered the toggle at the top, but it didn't render anything else, right? Then they did the course editor, and there's the course list down below, right? Probably because I didn't pass, you know, it can't render the whole thing, the course list, because it doesn't have maybe the whole list of courses. I'm not passing it, right? So that's why it's just rendering just the top half, right? So we need to pass this a couple of information about that, right? Unfortunately, this syntax of just using components doesn't allow me to pass data. It doesn't allow me to pass any parameters, right? It just allows you to blindly just display a component or another component, right? If I want to pass attributes like this, right, this is what I really want to be able to do, right? But this syntax doesn't allow me to do it. So we're going to use a different syntax. There's another syntax called render, right? And render allows me to put this inside of a function, and I can now return a full-blown component, right? I can now copy this course list, right? You can copy the course list and then just put it in here, right? Same thing with the course list, same thing, right? We don't want to pass just a course list because the course list depends on a couple of things, right? It depends on this hide editor. So let's grab that too. Let's grab that too and change this into render, right? That this becomes a function, and now this could be a full-blown component. Yes. Oh, I meant to do that. There we go. Okay. All right. So let's see. All right. So notice now that indeed I am looking at the course list, and I'm only rendering the course list, including, right, the course, and it still works just like before, and delete works, everything works, and I'm only displaying the course list. Or if I type here the editor, then I display the course editor. See that? So now I'm back where I was, but now the URL survives, right? I can go back, right? My back buttons work. Right? Before the back buttons didn't work, right? Now, since I'm tied, I have these components are tied to the URL. I can now survive a refresh, right? If I refresh the course editor, I'm still in the course editor because the state is encoded in the URL. Make sense? I can even send it to you in an email. No, an email, right? If you click on that, right, you see exactly what I'm seeing. Right? Again, the whole state is encoded in the URL. Make sense? All right.